Motorcycles are a fantastic option for commuters seeking a more efficient, cost-effective, and enjoyable way to navigate city streets and highways. Whether you're tired of sitting in traffic, aiming to reduce your carbon footprint, or simply seeking a thrilling ride to work, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know to get started. If you're searching for the best tires for your vehicle, Mavis Tire has you covered with premium options and top-notch service. Whether it's durability, performance, or affordability, Mavis ensures your ride is smooth and safe. Find the best tires for your vehicle at Mavis and explore their wide range of quality tires tailored to your needs. Check out the link in the description to find the perfect fit for your vehicle. Why choose a motorcycle for commuting? Fuel efficiency. Motorcycles consume significantly less fuel than cars, making them a budget-friendly option for daily commutes. Agility and maneuverability. Bikes are excellent for weaving through traffic and finding parking in crowded urban areas. Lower maintenance costs. Compared to cars, motorcycles are generally simpler and less expensive to maintain. Environmental impact. With better fuel economy and lower emissions, motorcycles can be a greener commuting option. Enjoyable ride. For those who love the open road, motorcycles provide a thrilling sense of freedom during every commute. Choosing the right motorcycle for commuting. Selecting the ideal motorcycle is crucial for ensuring safety, comfort, and efficiency. Here are key factors to consider. 1. Bike type. Scooters. Lightweight and efficient, perfect for city commutes. Their automatic transmissions make them easy for beginners. Standard naked bikes. A versatile option ideal for beginners, offering an upright riding position that is comfortable for daily use. Cruisers. Comfortable and stable for longer commutes. They often feature low seats and relaxed riding positions. Sport bikes, agile and fast, but may not be as comfortable for extended rides due to their aggressive riding stance. Adventure bikes, great for mixed terrain and commuting versatility, with ergonomic designs ideal for both city roads and rural highways. 2. Engine size, 125 cubic centimeters to 300 cubic centimeters, ideal for city commutes with minimal highway riding. These bikes are lightweight, fuel-efficient, and easy to handle. 400 cubic centimeters to 650 cubic centimeters, a balance of power and efficiency for mixed commutes, capable of handling both city traffic and highway speeds. 750 cubic centimeters and above, suitable for long-distance or high-speed commutes, but may consume more fuel. 3. Fuel efficiency. Look for models with high miles per gallon (mpg) to maximize savings. Scooters and smaller engine motorcycles often deliver over 70 mpg, while larger bikes may range between 40 to 60 mpg. 4. Comfort and ergonomics. Consider seat height, riding position, and handlebar placement to ensure comfort during longer commutes. Test different models to find the best ergonomic fit for your body type. 5. Storage solutions. Features like saddlebags, top boxes, or under-seat storage are essential for commuters carrying laptops, groceries, or gear. Some scooters even have built-in storage compartments. Essential gear for commuting. Riding gear is crucial for safety and comfort. Invest in quality gear to protect yourself on the road. Helmet. Choose a DOT-approved full-face helmet for maximum protection. Modular helmets are another great option for convenience and safety. Jacket. Look for abrasion-resistant material with padding for added safety. Mesh jackets with ventilation work well in warmer climates, while textile or leather options provide better warmth in cool weather. Gloves. Ensure they offer both comfort and grip. Waterproof gloves with thermal lining are ideal for colder conditions. Pants. Riding pants with armor or reinforced areas enhance safety. Kevlar jeans are popular for commuters seeking added protection with a casual look. Boots. Durable, ankle-covering footwear provides stability and protection. Waterproof boots with non-slip soles are ideal for daily commutes. Reflective gear enhances visibility, especially for nighttime commuting. Reflective vests, stripes, or accents on your gear can significantly increase visibility. Preparing for your commute. Before each ride, a few simple steps can improve your safety and comfort. Check tire pressure. Proper inflation ensures better handling, stability, and traction. Inspect lights and signals. Confirm all lighting systems are functional to improve visibility. Check oil and fluid levels. Ensure engine oil, brake fluid, and coolant are at recommended levels. Secure your gear. Use bungee cords, cargo nets, or panniers to keep items secure during the ride. Plan your route. Identify the safest, most efficient roads for your journey. Identify roads with fewer intersections and stoplights to improve travel efficiency. Safe riding techniques for commuters. Safety should always be a top priority. Follow these tips to minimize risks. Maintain a safe following distance. Give yourself enough room to react to sudden stops. Use defensive riding strategies. Assume drivers may not see you and ride proactively. Avoid blind spots. Position yourself where other drivers can clearly see you. Mind the weather. Wet or icy conditions demand slower speeds and greater caution. In rain, ride in the tire tracks of cars for better traction. Practice slow-speed maneuvers. Mastering slow turns, lane splitting where legal, and U-turns will make urban commuting much smoother. Parking and security. Motorcycle theft is a concern, especially in urban areas. To keep your bike secure, use a quality lock. A strong chain or disc lock can deter thieves. Park in well-lit areas. Choose monitored or busy spots whenever possible. Install an alarm system. Audible alarms can discourage theft attempts. Consider GPS tracking. These devices help locate your motorcycle if stolen. Managing weather conditions. Motorcycle commuting requires extra caution in poor weather. Follow these tips for staying safe. Rain, invest in waterproof gear and ride with smooth, deliberate movements. Apply brakes gently to prevent skidding. Cold weather, layer up with thermal gear and consider heated grips or gear. Extreme heat, wear ventilated clothing, stay hydrated, and use a cooling vest if necessary. Maintenance tips for commuting motorcycles. Routine maintenance keeps your motorcycle reliable and efficient. Oil changes. Follow your manufacturer's recommendations. Regular changes extend engine life. Chain and sprocket maintenance. Keep the chain clean, lubricated, and properly tensioned to ensure smooth movement. Brake inspections. Ensure pads and rotors are in good condition. Check brake fluid levels regularly. Tire care. Monitor tread depth and pressure. Bald tires reduce grip, especially in wet conditions. Battery checks. Ensure your battery is charged and terminals are clean. A weak battery can leave you stranded unexpectedly. Cost considerations. Commuting by motorcycle can be cost-effective, but here are key expenses to anticipate. Initial purchase costs, budget for the bike, and essential gear. Insurance. Premiums vary based on your bike's type and value. Adding theft protection is advisable in high-crime areas. Maintenance. Regular upkeep will extend your motorcycle's lifespan and reduce costly repairs. Fuel costs. Generally lower than cars, but this depends on your bike's MPG. Keep in mind that aggressive riding can reduce efficiency. Advanced tips for efficient commuting. Time your commute. Traveling during off-peak hours can help you avoid heavy traffic and improve safety. Join motorcycle groups. Engaging with local riding communities can provide tips on routes, safety, and maintenance. Use navigation apps. Tools like Waze, Google Maps, or dedicated motorcycle GPS units can provide real-time traffic updates. Keep emergency tools. A small toolkit, tire repair kit, and a first aid kit can be invaluable in emergencies. Invest in communication devices. Helmet communication systems allow you to stay connected safely while riding. Looking for a hassle-free way to book your stay? Hotels.com is your go-to online search engine for finding and reserving hotels anytime, anywhere. From luxury suites to budget options, they offer unbeatable last-minute deals to suit every traveler's needs. Check the link in the description to book your perfect getaway today. Final thoughts. Commuting by motorcycle can transform your daily routine into an exciting and efficient experience. With the right bike, gear, and safety practices, you'll enjoy reduced commute times, lower costs, and an exhilarating ride to work. By preparing properly and riding responsibly, you can make the most of your motorcycle journey every day.